Today, I suddenly had a strong craving to eat chicken sukka, so I started preparing it. First, let's dry roast the spices needed for chicken sukka. Take a pan and add the required amount of dried red chilies. Add a little coconut oil and fry them. The chilies should be fried well on both sides, so keep stirring them continuously. Now in the same pan, add the required amount of coriander seeds with a little oil and roast them well. The coriander should be releases a nice smell. Then add a handful of curry leaves and roast them together with the coriander seeds. Once done, take them out. Again in the same pan, add the cumin seeds and a little fenugreek seeds. Mix and roast them well. Now all the ingredients need for the masalas are roasted. Put all them roasted spices into a mixer and grind them into a fine powder and keep it aside. Next, grate one small coconut and fry it in the same pan with little oil. This step enhances the taste of the chicken sukka even more better. Now, let's heat a pan and add about 5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the coconut oil becomes heat, add a handful of curry leaves. After adding the curry leaves, fry them well. Then add chopped onions, chili, ginger and garlic. Fry them well. I have taken about 1.5 kg of chicken for chicken sukka. Once the onions are well fried, add the washed chicken. The chicken should mix well with the tempering, so keep stirring it. Then add salt to taste and about 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder to remove the raw smell of the meat. Let the chicken cook in the turmeric mixture for 5 minutes. After confirming that the chicken pieces are well cooked, add the lemon or tamarind juice. Add the prepared masala powder. Add a little water and allow the chicken to cook for some time with the masala. The masala will coat the chicken pieces well. Finally, add the grated coconut that we had fried early and mix everything well. When mix it properly, a tasty and simple chicken sukka recipe is ready. I feel very hungry now, so I am going to taste the chicken sukka. Okay, bye.